We developers often need a way to remind our users to leave a review on an app or a Play Store. After users have spent some time with our app, gathering their honest feedback becomes really important, because we want to improve our application and provide even a better user experience at the end of the day. However, current official libraries like in-app review for Android or StoreKit review for iOS have some limitations about how many times we can display that app review dialog to our users. Even though some of those official solutions provide an API to easily leave an app review right from our app, we still need a better control over how many times we want to prompt the user to rate our app. Which is why I have built my own Kotlin Multiplatform library. Now, this library does not use those existing APIs, and you're not gonna be able to use those in-app review features. This is a simple library that allows you to prompt an alert dialog asking a user to leave a review. When a positive button is clicked, then an app store or a Play Store will open up, depending on which platform you're using, and then the user can leave a review right there in the store. We don't have any information about whether the user has actually left that review or not, but nonetheless, when the positive button is clicked, the library will consider that this operation is completed, which means we are not gonna prompt the user anymore. However, when a user clicks on that negative button to close the dialog, then the interval period will reset. Which means that if you have specified an interval to be on a monthly basis, then the next dialog will show up in exactly 1 month in the future. So here we can control whether we want to prompt the user every month, every 3 months, 6 months, or 1 time per year. Plus, there is the initial delay parameter, which we can use to specify that initial period, which can be shorter than 1 month, but not less than 5 days. If it's less than 5 days, then an exception will be thrown. And when the user installs the app for the first time, we can show that the first initial dialog after 5 or 7 days, for example, which is a great thing. Now, let me show you how to use this library. So you can of course place this dialog wherever you want. You have a full control over that. Don't forget to specify this library artifact in your common main source set and you're good to go. I'm gonna place this dialog in my app Kotlin file for this demonstration. We can leave those default parameters, but you can fully customize how this dialog will look like. The initial period should be 5 days, and then we will prompt the user every month after that. You can place your full app URL for both Play Store and App Store, and that's pretty much it. So if we launch this application, the dialog will not show up right away. But now I'm gonna change the date on this emulator manually and set the date to be 5 days from now, so that we can launch the app again and see whether this dialog will show up. So after you launch the application, you will notice that the dialog will show up. And now I'm gonna press the cancel button to close this dialog, which will trigger the timer to be reset. Which means that the next dialog will show up in exactly 1 month. We can again open up the settings and move the date up for 1 month just to test and see whether this will actually work. There you go, so when the application is launched, the dialog will appear again. This time we can indeed click the positive button to open up this app on a Play Store. If you are using the iOS on the other hand, then the App Store with a different link should open up. Nevertheless, with this action we have completed this operation, which means that the next month this dialog will not show up. And that's how it works. Pretty simple, but yet effective. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you think about this library. I'm open to suggestions and willing to improve this library furthermore. Don't forget to leave a like to this video if you find it helpful, and thank you for watching.